All right, so we're going to start with the more complicated one of putting something into polar form. So here we need to find two things. We need to find r and we need to find theta. Now, for r, we can just simply take these numbers and square them. So 2 squared. Now we're ignoring the I because it's just the imaginary part. So it's going to be -2 squared. And I might just do that in one line so we've got plenty of space for the other one. So 2 squared is 4 plus another 4. So it can be square root of 8. Or if you really want, you can write that as 2 root 2. Both are equivalent. So that's our r. Now our theta needs to be this tan to the -1 of our imaginary part over our real part. Now here is where it really is handy to put this into a little diagram. So notice that this is down here. So I should be getting a negative angle. And if you put in your calculator, there are two different angles. This angle here and this angle here will both be the same as far as tan's concerned. So you sometimes have to add 180 or pi onto your answer to get the correct one. So if I track that in my calculator, I find that that is equal to, and I'm just going to do it by hand because I can see it's halfway, it's going to be pi on 4 or minus pi on 4 or minus 45 degrees. Now, probably should be using the radians form, but either is fine. Now going back, I said it was really simple. All we're really doing is just calculating this out. So I'm going to write this in the full form. So cos of pi on 3 plus I times 2 sine pi on 3. Now, if we put these into our calculators, we don't have to worry about diagrams here or worry about it so much because this will work naturally. Let me think. Cos of pi on 3 is a half, so 2 times a half plus I times 2, and this is sine of pi on 3 is root 3 on 2. Might have those switched around. I'm just doing this in my head. So that's going to be 1 plus the 2's cancel root 3i. But this is literally all we have to do, just make those calculations.